was a Monday. It was not only a new day, but a new month, a new week, and a new year. I hope that this means that this year will bring many new beginnings for all of us. I'm Kelly, and it is an absolute privilege to be your head girl.
Hi, I'm Alex, and it is an absolute honour to be your head boy for 2024.
I'm Leo, and it's my privilege to be your deputy head boy for 2024.
Morena everyone, my name is Mia, and I am proud to be your deputy head girl for 2024.
High school is whatever you make it to be. So whether it's your first or final year, my advice is to make the most of your time.
Whether you're a fifth-year veteran or are just embarking on your journey, the opportunities are endless at the castle, and that's what makes Macleans what it is.
My advice to anyone this year seeking to try out something new would be to simply follow your passion. Cherish the friendships and memories you create and to set yourself goals. Whether those goals are to make the stage of the school musical or to make the field of the football team, take that first step forward and avoid being the person who looks back with regret.
If it's joining an extracurricular or competing for your final in house sports, you are in control of your 2024. Do something worthwhile with it. Thank you, and up the castle.